Wow, this book is really huge. Look at that. Hello everyone, Koko Dan is here. Now I will review a really new huge bag from Louis Vuitton. If this is your first time watching my video, my channel will contain a lot of luxury item bags review. So you may like and subscribe the channel. So we will unbox this huge bag from Louis Vuitton. Okay, I will unbox this box. Wow, this box is really huge. Look at that. Wow. Tada! This is the Grand Cabas from Louis Vuitton. Let's get a closer look of this bag. The new Cabas Zippe GM from Louis Vuitton comes with giant orange box and orange envelope for the receipt. As usual, I always request for gift wrapping with blue ribbon, and even the dust bag is really big. Wow, this bag is cost about $2,550. I know this bag is really expensive, but look at that, the gorgeous new Cabas Zippe GM from Louis Vuitton. The new Cabas Zippe GM in tone untuk Monogram Eclipse Canvas and Monogram Eclipse Reverse Canvas is spacious enough for all the essentials. The supple canvas folds easily to fit in a suitcase. The adjustable top handles and zip inside removable pocket bring functionality. The sharp masculine lines and colorway seal the deal. If you look closer at the back, its side has different direction of monogram, and the Monogram Eclipse Reverse is really stand out for the handle and the left and right side of this bag. On the left side, this bag has a removable travel tag with the monogram that can you use for your cards or something else. Connected with a small adjustable monogram canvas to the silver hardware, which attached to the small leather. That's really useful. On the right side, you can adjust the handle for a long or short tote bag as you want. There are 7 holes with the silver hardware. The shorter you set your handle, it will be more lighter than the long handle. The handle is crafted with Monogram Eclipse Reverse Canvas, but only show the flower of the monogram. At the end of the zipper, you will find a black leather that embossed with Louis Vuitton Paris leather, and the other side, the head of the zipper combined with a small leather and small buttons written Louis Vuitton on it. Now I will unzip this bag. It's easy, it's safe. The top of this bag covered with Monogram Reverse Eclipse Canvas and black color fabric for the zipper. Inside of this bag you will find a removable pocket for daily essentials, so you can find it easily in your bag. The interior is full of black fabric, and at the bottom of this bag crafted with Monogram Eclipse Canvas. The removable pocket is really useful. You can detach and wear it as a clutch. This is the details of the zipper with silver hardware. The interior of the pocket is also black, and as you see, monogram canvas is always flexible, and there is 2 buttons to attach or detach it from the cabas. Inside of it, you will find the small tag and barcode of this bag. The size of the handle is really handy. You can grab it easily or put it on your arm like that, but it's not recommended if the bag is really heavy with all of your stuff. This is the details of the edge of the bag. Unfortunately, they don't have hardware that will make this bag not facing a surface directly. know you guys are really curious about what fits in this bag. I will put my iPad in it and then my 13-inch MacBook Pro. It's still a lot of space. I will bring my outdoor pouch as usual and then my bum bag and even a box of Louis Vuitton still can fit it. Wow, this bag is really spacious. And for the pocket, you can put your wallet in, card holder, of course the 12 Pro Max also fitted. In the end of this video, I will give you how to style with this bag, the details of the travel tag, and the details of the dust bag. Here we go! Okay, this bag it costs about 1870 euros or about 40 million rupiahs. This bag is really cool because in tone Monogram Eclipse canvas and Monogram Reverse Eclipse canvas in here, and the space is really spacious for all of your stuff. The details of this bag is really good and the bag is really big. You can put anything you want like camera, iPad, MacBook, your phone, your clothes, or anything you need to go for traveling. And thank you for watching this far. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for another luxury item bags review. Goodbye!